In this video, I'm going to show you how you can actually video call someone on Android, okay? As usual in this channel, we don't waste the time of our viewers, we just dive right into the content you are looking for. Okay, first thing first, you'll need to locate the phone app for video calling. Remember, we are calling in the normal phone, not WhatsApp. So we are going to use the carrier option. Just tap on the phone app, then locate the person that you want to call. Let me say I want to call the first person here in my recent call history. Okay, I'll just tap on the name. Then, okay, let me show you properly. I think that one came out as they will not the way I expected. Just tap on the that symbol, okay, that symbol for hazard symbol. Then tap on the video call button. When you tap on that video call button, you will be able to video call that person. Remember, there are three buttons there. There's the button for normal calling, the button for messaging, and the button for video calling. So you'll have to tap on the video calling button to actually call this guy. Actually, this number does not exist, so I've just used it here for demonstration purposes. So there's no need of worrying about privacy concern or anything. The number does not exist, okay? So thank you guys for watching. If you found value in this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to my channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.